Alright, y'all, so today is the next day. Today is actually Saturday. And I'm actually in my room because I'm about to clean my perfume shelves, I guess you could say. It's only like one shelf for some of my perfumes, not even all of them. All of my perfumes are not even in my room because I just have so many. So I'm going to try to clean a little bit today. Well, it's just really just to wipe it down and organize it a little bit. Get rid of some boxes, even though I don't want to throw away perfume boxes. It is what it is because I can't keep all of the boxes. It's gonna look like a a store in here if I don't. You're supposed to keep your perfumes in a box because it keeps the light or any type of light from damaging the actual fragrance itself. So that's why a lot of my perfumes last years upon years upon years. Whereas like somebody might be like, they bought their perfume and they like to keep their perfume on their vanity, out on display and light all the time and stuff like that, and they notice like after a year or two their perfume smells extremely different from when it you know when they first bought it. Whereas like mine, I can have mine for however many plus years. It's because I keep them in the box and I keep them protected from the sun and the environment, and I also keep them in a box to keep them from mingling with other fragrances throughout, you know, the plastic and stuff like that. So that's why I keep the boxes. But I think like the cheapy perfumes I'm going to take out of the boxes, and then the expensive perfumes I'm just going to leave in there, like the Valentino that I have, and I have some other fragrances. So yeah, like my Ariana Grandes, they are not in their box. I take those out of the box because they're like $30 perfumes. I mean, they're like $50 if you get them from Ulta. But if you get them from TJ Maxx, where you could always get them, Walgreens or something, you could always get them damn perfumes for like 30 bucks, 25 bucks. So they're like cheapy perfumes that you could just re-up on if you ever need to throw them away. But like actual perfumes that I wear, I like to leave in a box. Like expensive ones that will cost me a grip to replenish, I leave them in the box. But I might take out some of my 1 ounces. It all depends on how I feel. I don't know. But I'm going to show y'all the before, and then I'm going to show y'all the after. Alright, you guys. So these are the perfumes and everything. This is what I mean. It's like a bookshelf. I have like the printer on top. Look how dusty it is. So we got to clean that. But as you guys can see, all of my perfumes, they're like falling on the floor and everything. It's just crazy. Like literally Prada, Tom Ford, just YSL. Like look, YSL is on the freaking floor. I have to really clean these up. Chanel just sitting right there without a top or a box. It's just sad. This used to be like a, I don't want to call it a shrine, but I used to have my little Buddha, what do you call these, figurines or something, my little Buddha figurines on that shelf, but it ended up turning into a perfume shelf now. So I'm going to take my little Buddha figurines off, and I'm probably going to put them right next to my TV. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Alright, you guys, so it's been about a few hours. I've did this on and off. This is the second garbage bag filled with boxes. But yeah, I have like all of these things filled with perfume. So I'm just like pretty much organizing everything. Hold on, let me show y'all. It's a mess. But on here I had some other stuff on here, but I realized I needed some more space. So I was like, okay, I could just use this for the time being. So here's like my Kayali's, my Kilians. I have some Zara and Joe Malone back here. So these 8 bottles back here, these are Zara fragrances that they collaborated with Joe Malone to make. I have like Elizabeth Arden. Then I got my little designer hand lotions. And my designer smaller sprays that I just bought like travel sizes in. I keep my actual travel perfumes in one section, but the ones that I buy to wear that I like them, but I don't like them that much to buy a full bottle. Those I just keep over here so I can reach for them if I just so happen to want them. I have miniature Kayalees, and I have one big boy Kayale. I have a Corona. I have all of pretty much like artist inspired, I guess, except for these two, the Chanel and the Prada. Those are going to be moved soon. And I also have miniatures here. So like, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but back there, these are Ariana Grande's in the back. Okay, then I have Nicki Minaj's. I have what, 4 or 5? Yeah, it's 5, but 2 of the same. So 5 Nicki Minaj's. These are Britney Spears. This is the Chanel, the Prada I was talking about. I have Victoria's Secret Crush, Dolly Parton. That butterfly is Dolly Parton. Some more Ariana Grande's with the pom-poms. And then miniatures. So I have miniature Flower Bomb, a miniature Light Blue, miniature Faith Hill. So yeah, that's like the cute looking drawer, all the funky looking things. Oh, I have a Christian Siriano. I didn't even see that. See that black thing? That's Christian Siriano. Then down here is like mainly my perfumes. I want to get like little lights to stick up at the top so I can shine a light in the inside. So I'm gonna look on Amazon for those. But over here I have Giorgio Armani C. I have all 5. The Carolina Girl, Good Girl, Bad Girl, something like that. Then right next to it is Valentino. That's Versace, Dolce & Gabbana, Dior, Lancome. I think that's what it's called, Lancome, right? Some more Lancome right there. Giorgio Armani as well. Jimmy Choo. All of this is Jimmy Choo. This is Jimmy Choo. Lancome, YSL. Some more YSL. Hermes. Flower Bomb, which is Victor Rolf. Then we get down here. These in the back are Zara and Jo Malone. As you can see, Tom Ford. These are Tom Ford as well. Fenty and Perfume de Azalea. So Azalea, Iggy Azalea made a perfume. It actually smells really nice. So those are the only ones that I could fit so far. I'm struggling with the bottom shelf because I don't know how to organize that, because those are the perfumes that I do want to keep inside of their boxes because I like the boxes. So I'm struggling with those. So we'll see. I might take the 2 front ones out, that silver and that pink one at the bottom. Those 2 right there, I might take those out because they're just like body sprays, so they could probably go up here. Just to free up some space. But I'm out of breath, damn. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I might even bring the Tom Fords up here too. All of the Tom Fords actually. And then just leave the box stuff at the bottom. But I wanted to show y'all. I have more Hermes. I have to figure out where I want to put the Hermes at. I have this. It's another Iggy Azalea perfume. It's the same exact one. I might do a giveaway with this. What else? In here I have all Pacifica and then some samples of Valentino. But these are all Pacifica fragrances that I want to put somewhere. And then this is Mancera. I believe that's how you say the brand. But these are full bottles of perfume and I want to put these up. And then I have back here are my mix bars and I have like some other stuff in there. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out how I can make this work. So I'm going to take the Tom Fords and sit the Tom Fords up at the top first. Because I think these are going to have to go inside of the drawer. As much as I don't want them to. I think so. Because I literally have nowhere else to put anything else in, you know. So I think they're going to have to go into the drawers. I mean, I could put them on my dresser. But normally on my dresser is where I get like ready and like I put makeup and stuff. And to have like perfume on my dresser is just like an added thing that I don't want. Because perfume honestly takes up a large space. So we'll see. we'll see. I'm gonna try to see how much I could fit on these two surfaces, and then whatever's left, then I'll just have to put it there. So I just wanted to come and show y'all that. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm actually editing the video now, and I realized that I never came back and showed you guys the end result. So if you guys wanted a full-on tour of my perfume collection, let me know. I could probably do like a Vlogmas video or something, or any type of video whenever, and I'll let you guys see my whole entire collection. I definitely added even more fragrances into my collection since then. I think I have like a new Tom Ford, have a new Killian, all of that, girl. So yeah, definitely a lot of money is in that collection. Okay, so let me know if you guys want to see it, but don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All the links will be down below, and I will see you soon.